again.
Mom, open up!
I take it this is yours?
Now you listen here, mister. I don't know who you think you are, but you've got no right to manhandle my son like that.
Your son and his friends were in my subway yard, making trouble. Again.
It was my first time on a hoverboard.
On a what?
I mean, my new board.
Yeah, whatever the excuse. You should keep him on a shorter leash.
Hey! You can't tell my mom what to do. She's the best mom in the whole world, and if you ever tried...
All right, Jake, all right. Just settle down. I'll handle this. You get to your room and you think about what you've done. Was that too much? Was I too mean?
I don't know, lady.
He's such a good kid. So sweet.
Huh?
And usually so well-mannered. I'm a single mom. I work long hours, so he's alone a lot, but I always know I can trust him to behave.
Let go of me, lady. My dog doesn't like it.
All right, none of that.
Look, I'm sure this is all just a big misunderstanding, so don't worry. I'll bring it over to Mr. Jake right now.
Yard time. Who's in?
Jacob Brickler! You're in big trouble now, mister!
Sit! Cat! Ham and cheese? Oh, yeah, ham and cheese. Look, forget the yard. Meet me at Mully's. I'm starving. World. I'm Jake and this is Fresh. We're here today at DeLorean Park for what I'm sure will be a memorable skate lesson.
Perfect day for you. High 70s, light wind, low noob count.
What everyone wants to know is, can Tricky really teach you Tawny to skate?
Good cue, Jays. Hard to say with so much at stake.
Steak? Oh, now I'm thinking of Mully's steak sandwich. That special sauce. Those killer fries. Oh.
Shake it off, bro. Head in the game.
And we're back. Now, call me harsh, but I don't give this lesson much more than 3 minutes tops, which would have to be considered a failure.
Let's not jump the gun, JK. Maybe those two will surprise you.
So, first things first, Tawny. Just try balancing. There you go.
Bold move going solo. An early fall could wreck her confidence.
You said a mouthful. The tension's so thick, I could eat it with a fork.
Yeah, Like lasagna with fresh parm.
Let it go, Chaser.
No way!
She nailed it!
I want to learn a trick now. Try not to get ahead of yourself. Concrete is not your friend. Come on, Tricky. Just something basic. I mean, how hard can it be?
Oh my! Did you see that, Fresh? That little noob just took a nasty spill. Let's take another look.
Okay, fine. I'll teach you the simplest trick I know, Tawny. It's called tic-tacs. Just lift and turn, lift and turn. Like this.
Oh man, why'd you have to mention candy?
Breaking news, JK. Tic Tacs are mints.
Mints are in the candy family. They're like cousins.
So, why is it called tic-tacs? I don't know. Just try it. Well, technically, the sound it makes sounds like tic-tac, tic-tac. Forget the name. It doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna teach you a 180 instead. Oh, maybe it's because you control the turn radius with your toes. You know, tic-tac-toe.
And Tricky's gone to her happy place. This lesson's over at the 2-minute, 47-second mark. Did I crush it or what? You shredded it, J-Bo.
Ooh, Molly's shredded chicken tacos. Man, wear slacks for one of those.
Don't go there, bro.
Smothered in guac.
Forget tic-tacs. I'm gonna do a 90.
2 plops of sour cream.
There's no trick called a 90.
Splash of salsa.
I'm calling this trick a U-turn.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here. How do I get off this thing?
Are you okay, Tawny?
I'm out of here.
Know what's funny? When we were noobs, we actually thought this place was scary.
I still have nightmares about trashing my first pair of Jordans here.
Well, I still have nightmares about those nasty elbow pads Jake used to wear. The ones he never washed.
Not funny. I miss those pads.
Yes, me, this place is scary.
Well, we didn't ask you, King.
Come on, Jake, don't bag on King. Poor kid's got no filter.
I didn't bag on him. I said we didn't ask his opinion on what's scary.
I'll tell you what's scary. UFOs. Nice to know. I was. See what I mean? You can't take anything he says too seriously.
I don't know. We'd explain things.
My parents say that's why I'm brilliant, because I have alien DNA, just like you taught.
Speaking of Tani, she wants us to meet her at the yard. She's got something to show us. Says it's out of this world with like 12 alien emojis.
Okay, I'm creeped.
What? Well, Some kind of anti-gravity technology. I'm still figuring out how to neutralize the magnetic properties.
Okay, this has to stay secret or...
First!
Hey, wait! It's really hard to... Steer.
I got this! I got this! I don't got this!
Can't you reel him back in with that remote?
It only works up to 10 feet away.
He'll be fine.
So like I was saying, if anybody finds out you invented a hoverboard, a real hoverboard, every tech company in the world will send guys on steroids to steal it. I can see it now. We all get taken into some cheap motel room. You know, the kind with really gross wallpaper. And they interrogate us until one of us breaks.
No way I'd break, unless they messed with Boomy.
Maybe I should make the technology open source. You know, free. It's not like I invented it. I don't even think it's from this planet.
This would make a great game!
But you're right, Tricky. For now, we should keep this secret. I mean, what if somebody got hurt?
Oops.
Worth it.